Easy, Hank, easy. Quiet, Hank, quiet. Yeah, you see why you gotta tie it up. Hank, enough.
Oh, he's alright, Hank.
He gets excited. He's been waiting for this all day.
Yeah, he's in his element.
Just jump in there and get it for us, Hank.
This is a big bugger.
Yeah, these things are no joke.
What, do you have any idea what type of fish it is?
Goliath grouper. The biggest grouper of it ever. They're big groupers.
You can't go that way.
See why we use such big rods and cable. No, it's tough. You almost got them whooped. Once you get them up off the bottom, they kind of fold over. Hank!
There he is.
Oh my god. You get that coming in the boat or
No, it's against the law to bring them in the boat. Strictly.
the line?
Yeah, I take the hook out with a pair of pliers.
He's a nice
Yeah, he's probably 130, 150 pounds. Probably bigger than that.
Get him, Hank, get him.
Hank! We got him. He's caught. He's caught, Hank. He's caught.
You got him, kid.
I'm gonna get a couple of still pictures.
We don't keep him barked till he barks out.